No, yesterday the committee had a meeting in which we discussed the problems of our diaspora, the immigrants, the laborers going abroad, the people being trafficked, the domestic workers who are having problems, the need for a new immigration bill. All of these issues were discussed yesterday, and because so many MPs have issues involving their constituents facing problems abroad, people stuck in the Russian front with Ukraine, people caught up in the Middle East, all sorts of other issues. There was a lot of interest. We had a very good turnout. 22 MPs attended. It's very unusual to have such a large turnout in a routine meeting. And we had a full discussion that ran over time. So there was no time for any other issue. It was entirely focused on immigration. And the House is adjourned again today. And I think that at some point we will really need to see some genuine progress on the government and the opposition coming together so we can continue to discuss the issues interesting the public in the floor of the House rather than have this kind of discussion. Yes, we have. That will be coming up. We meet once a week. So we'll be having a briefing on Bangladesh in a couple of weeks' time on the 11th of December. Next week there are other pending issues which the Foreign Secretary will be briefing us on. So Bangladesh will follow the following week. It seems very grave and troubling, and I think we are all very concerned. All Indians will be concerned because this is a next door neighbor whose well-being we are concerned about. I must say that it's not only the foreign ministry that's keeping an eye on the situation. I think all concerned Indian citizens are worried about some of the reports coming in from Bangladesh. देखिए बात यह है कि वो बहुत अच्छी उम्मीदवार थी. मैं तो उनके लिए प्रचार भी किया था वायनाड में, और मैं खुश हूँ कि इतनी बड़ी मेजॉरिटी से वो आई है. आपको पता है कि 4.5 लाख वोट से जीत के आई है. तो मेरे ख्याल में उसका वो अभी हक है कि जनता की प्रतिनिधि के रूप में वायनाड के सारे विषय के बारे में बताने के लिए और भारत के विषय के बारे में लोकसभा में कहने के लिए. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि प्रियंका जी आई. देखिए, मैं तो इस विषय पे यही बोलूँगा कि जब लोग कामयाब है तो उनके परिवार के बारे में सोचने में ज़्यादा फ़ायदा नहीं है. हर पार्टी में ऐसे है. आपको याद है जब मुलायम सिंह साहब और अखिलेश जी दोनों थे और डिम्पल भी आई थी लोकसभा में. ऐसे तो होते हैं पार्टी में. पार्टियों में तो जब कामयाब लोग हैं और वो चुनाव जीत के आते हैं तो जनता से पूछिए कि वो लोग उनके प्रतिनिधित्व में किसको देना चाहते हैं. तो यही हो गया है.